Welcome to another HeartX How to Use app video. This video will show you a simple way to verify as an artist on the HeartX app. For more beginner tutorials, please check out our other walkthrough on the link at the top of the screen. There are 3 ways to apply for verification from the HeartX app. One from the overview page, and the other from the profile page. On the overview page, you can press the plus sign on the top right side and press verify. Or you can go to your profile page and press the toolbox marked next to the settings button. Press being certified on HeartX in this upcoming 1.17 version. It will take you to the same form where you can apply to be verified. Other application options are by pressing the Be Certified button on your HeartX Energy page and selecting Artist Certification. Please make sure to recheck that your application has followed our guidelines for submitting your artwork before submitting your application. After submitting, the HeartX team will review this form, and once it passes the verification process, you will be able to upload your work promptly. After becoming a certified artist, you will be able to upload your artwork on HeartX by pressing the plus button on the top right side. Follow the uploading instructions for uploading your artwork. There will be no deduction of the gas fee for uploading your artwork. Just make sure to have enough picks or purchase some with HeartX. Click Create, and your artwork will be uploaded as your HeartX artwork. To list your work, press the Sell button. Set the price you're giving it and the duration of the sale. We recommend setting the duration not shorter than 1 month. Complete listing, sign contract, and it will be listed on the HeartX marketplace. HeartX welcomes all kinds of artists to join and verify. Make sure to follow every step correctly. Follow the HeartX Twitter and HeartX Artist community for more updates and join our HeartX Discord. If you have any other questions about becoming an artist in HeartX, you are always welcome to consult the HeartX support team. Subscribe to this channel for more info about HeartX, and don't forget to watch our other HeartX tutorials on the How to Use app watchlist. Thank you for considering HeartX as your creative platform.